So welcome back. Today is July 3rd and we are going to be cleaning out this nasty refrigerator because I will be going food shopping and y'all gonna watch me clean it. But how are y'all doing? What are y'all plans for the 4th of July? I really want to know. That's two of my kids that you hear running around and enjoying their summer. My 21-year-old is locked up in her room, but what are y'all doing? Are y'all cooking out? Are y'all even celebrating this year? I want to know. Let me know when it comes to love. I am not really doing nothing too big, too small, because the two kids that you hear making all that noise have summer school. So, I will just be making some macaroni tuna salad, some franks, some burgers, light stuff. Because again, my kids got school, and because they got school, we practice in the school in this house. Can y'all close your door and be quiet, please? For them on Monday, and because it starts Monday, that means I gotta go shopping on a Saturday. Because what? You will be in this house and this crotch gobbling. Be eating me out of house and home, or y'all crotch gobbling eating y'all out of house and home, like mine are. I will be making macaroni tuna salad tonight because I just want to do self-care. Because y'all be nosy. Y'all be trying to know so much about what's going on in my house. Y'all don't be knowing nothing. And I do nothing. why I say living with a man is the word. But we cleaned that out, so that's it. Love you, bye. Let me know if you're cooking. Let me know if you're not cooking. Let me know if you're going to visit somebody. Let me know what are your plans for the 4th of July. Because my plan is to unwind, relax, and do absolutely nothing. Love you, bye.